Hi mga kalola, it's me, Lola Cathy, and on today's video, we're going to talk about this cute Hello Kitty Vanity. Hi mga lola, it's me Cathy again, nagbabalik for the new unboxing video. So, for that, eto na naman. And for those new here, welcome to my channel. And eto na po ang inyong lingkod, Lola Cathy, na mag-unbox na naman ng bagong Hello Kitty. Yan, this is a vanity mirror with a base. I-unbox ko na siya para makita na natin kung gaano siya ka-cute, guys. Actually, guys, etong mirror na to is like, I think, 14.57 in height. And then, 16.54 yung kanyang width. So, ganun lang siya kalaki. Hindi siya yung super laki na mirror na nilalagay sa wall. Medyo malaki yung box niya. So, ayan. Siya. Meron lang siyang mga dito. Ayan. Bali, isinyip to sa akin, guys. Hindi man lang inilagay sa another, what do you call this? Sa another box ulit. Kanya lang talaga literal. Nilagay lang talaga yung kanyang label dito. So, for that, buksan na natin. Wala natin siyang patigatin, guys. So, yan na. Nakikita niyo ba siya, guys? Yan na siya. Oh. Ayan na siya, guys. Super. Ito siguro yung kanyang base. And oh my god, this is so cute, guys. See? Ayan siya, oh. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Talagang ulo talaga siya ni Hello Kitty. Oh my god, this is so cute, guys. Very, siya, medyo heavy siya. Kaya, ayan na. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Super. I think may balot pa siya na plastic. And, look at the bottom, guys. I think this is where I'm going to put the stand. This one right here. Meron siyang stand na lalagay mo siya sa ilalim. Meron siyang grip dito para hindi siya mag-slide. And, let's see. This is like 16 inches yung kanyang height. And, this one is like almost 5 inches. Konti yung kanyang screw. Bale, 2 screws ang kailangan nyo. And we need a Phillips screwdriver para maikabit itong base nitong mirror. So, for that, lalagay nyo lang siya ng ganyan. Ayan, ayun na nga, mga lola. Kailangan lang i-screw to. Tsaka yung kabilang side. Ayan. At the beginning, akala ko, guys, hindi siya kasya. Pero, pwede ba naman siyang hindi kakasya. So, for that, ayan na nga siya, guys. So, meron na siyang stand. Yan, ganyan siya. This is power supply is 12 volts, 2 amperes. And yung kasama niya is this kawaii LED makeup mirror. And then the base, the 2 screws, the power adapter, and this manual na kasama niya, guys. So, yun lang yung very masaya sana kasi ang super cute niya, guys. Kaya lang hindi nga siya rechargeable. Kailangan niya nito para siya umilaw. Pero sana lang gagamitin mo to every time you wanna charge. Pero since this thing came out in 2022. Sana lang rechargeable na siya and we can charge through USB, hindi yung kailangan mo to all the time. Diba? May disadvantage din siya. So, it's up to you guys kung gusto nyo bumili nito. Actually, this was $259 on website, but I only bought it for like $159 since they have a promotion back then on iba-iba siya ng kulay, guys. So, yun lang yung kakita niya. So, kailangan nating i-scan ito para i-download natin yung apps nitong Impression Vanity. So, ayan. So, kailangan natin, all you need to do is just, regular, point out your that thing to your phone and just download, and ayan yung lalabas sa inyo. So, you choose, since I have Apple, and then you download the Vanity Impression. So, pagkatapos nun, you will allow you like, would you like to access Apple Music, blah blah blah, ito na yung itsura niya, and then yan siya tika sa likod. So, yan, i-connect mo siya sa Bluetooth. So, you go to your Bluetooth, go to setting, Bluetooth, so kailangan mo siya, ayan, so LED connected na siya, guys. So, nakikita niyo ba siya? Ito siya. Naka-connect na siya. And, yan. For that, you go to the impression. And sa Smarted. And then, pwede mo siya i-control. Yan siya, guys. Oh, ang galing, diba? Ayun lang siya, i-ano nyo lang yung kanyang mga colors na gusto nyo. So, ngayon, nagpapalit-palit siya ng mga colors, which is amazing kasi ang cute-cute lang niya sa room, diba? Ayan. Mababaw lang naman ang kaligayahan ng lola nyo. Yun na nyo, guys. Minumove ko yung kamay ko. Nagpapalit-palit siya. It's so cute. Diba? Tapat ko siya doon. Tapat ko siya. Medyo blue. Ayan. Then, punta siya sa pink. Then, sa red. Ang galing, diba? Remote control. Yun lang yung selling point sa akin yan. Nare-remote ko. So, yun lang, guys. So, if you guys want this kind of vanity mirror, which is very cute, yun nga lang. Nagsasuffer guys sa adapter. You guys need to plug it in all the time. So, yun. Unlike, hindi siya, sana lang, rechargeable siya. So, yun. For that, maybe instead of, for 5 out of 5 na perfect, I'll give this maybe like, maybe 4. Just because hindi siya rechargeable. So, yun lang mga lola. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys! Until my next video. See you on my next one. Bye!